Hey guys, so I try not to do videos on things that have been done a million times over, and these upgraded Acuity shifter bushings have been done a million times over on these 11th gen SIs. So I'll just get to the part that I found that wasn't on the internet. So when I was disconnecting this little retainer clip here for this cable, I found the easiest way was to pry a really short flathead screwdriver on each side to get it started. Kind of poke each side up, but then remember there's no top to this bracket underneath. So you can grab it from the middle with channel locks once you're done. The other thing is this actual shift bushing is really hard to get on the arm, right? So what I found is I take these channel locks to where they fit over, and then I just squish the arm. I don't want to do it one-handed and break something, but I just squished it with channel locks on, and they gave me the leverage to just push straight down without pushing on the arm itself, because I'm pushing the bottom of the arm up and the top of the bushing down, so there's no leverage on this part of the arm, so I'm not breaking it, because that's what I was worried about. I didn't want to put any real force. I didn't want to hit it with hammers. And of course, if you want to be really fancy, I would put a rag around it so that the channel locks don't mar or scratch. I don't really care because it's down here where no one can see it, but if that's something worries about you, that's how you get that in there.